In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supabase with Lovable AI. By the end, you'll have a secure connection set up so Lovable can talk to your Supabase projects without any manual keys or copy pasting. All you need is an active Lovable account and access to a Supabase account with permission to authorize integrations. Start by opening Lovable in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, look to the top left for your profile menu. This is usually your avatar or your account name. Click it to open the account options. From that menu, choose Settings. Settings is where Lovable centralizes account level controls, and it's also where all third-party connections live. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Connectors. Connectors let Lovable integrate with external tools so your apps can securely use data and services without hard-coding credentials. In the Connectors area, locate the Supabase option and click it. You'll see an overview explaining what the integration does and a button to start the secure link. Click Connect Supabase. Lovable will redirect you to Supabase to complete a standard authorization flow. This is the safest way to grant access because your credentials aren't shared with Lovable. Instead, Supabase issues a token with the exact permissions you approve. On the Supabase authorization screen, take a moment to review the permissions being requested. You're looking for access that lets Lovable discover projects and perform the actions needed for your use case. Make sure you're authorizing the correct Supabase account, especially if you manage multiple organizations. If everything looks right, proceed. When you're ready, click Authorize Lovable. Supabase will confirm and send you back to Lovable, where the connection status should show as connected. That's it. Your Lovable workspace now has a secure, maintainable link to Supabase, and you can start using it within Lovable without juggling API keys. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If the authorization page doesn't appear, check for pop-up blockers or strict browser privacy settings that might prevent the redirect. If you see a permissions error, verify that your Supabase role is allowed to approve integrations. You can revoke or reauthorize the connection at any time from either the Lovable Connectors page or your Supabase account settings, which is great for periodic access reviews. With the connection in place, you're set up to build faster and more securely. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with Lovable and Supabase together.